you're planning to buy a new house in Ontario and just wondering what warranty comes with that new house, then this video is for you. Buying a home is a very exciting time, and especially when you're buying a new home, but there are certain things that need to be checked before buying a home, especially the warranty, what it comes under it. So as a buyer, you should be aware about those warranties. Hello everyone, my name is Parth Soni. I'm a local real estate agent based in Waterloo region. If you have any questions about real estate, reach out to me in my local area. I would be happy to help out. I have all the details in my description below, my contact number, my email address, and you can also book a meeting one-on-one with me if you're willing to buy a new house or resale house, or even if you want to check anything about real estate. We're happy to help you out. Just quickly before jumping into the video, if you like this content, if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. It helps me to grow this channel, and also it helps the algorithm to reach out to as many as people possible like you. So in Ontario, when you buy a house, there is something called Tarion Warranty that comes with the house. So in today's video, we will discuss that who is Tarion, what is Tarion Warranty, what are your obligations, what are your rights as a buyer, and some important things that you need to consider when buying a new house. So the very first one, who is Tarion? So Tarion is a private company, is a non-for-profit organization who administers the new home buying program in terms of warranty in all over across Ontario. Every home in Ontario must be registered under this Tarion warranty, and the builders who are building the houses must also be registered under a warranty. So Tarion basically protect the consumer, so you, new home buyers, for any default against the warranty. There are certain other things that Tarion do, like administrating when you make a default, or when you make a claim, when the builder make a default and you make a claim against that, mediating those transactions between the claims between the builder and the buyer, that's the consumer, and it's basically sort of administration stuff on the back end stuff, and it also helps the new home buyer through their online portal, which is called My Home online portal, to submit your claims, where the claim is, and all the details about that. It also facilitates the fair resolution of the dispute or any dispute you have with the builder in terms of material, construction, quality, or anything which falls under the warranty. It also helps in case the builder cannot fulfill the requirement or cannot fulfill the default or whatever that is, your claims, then they come up with a solution to work directly with the homeowner, that would be you, to come up with a fair resolution. It could be the compensation or a repair by the third party. So overall, it protects the consumer when the builder fails to fulfill their obligation in terms of warranty. Now let's check out what is most important to you, that is, what is Tarion Warranty. So Tarion Warranty is a staggered warranty. What I mean by that is it falls under 3 different categories. So that is 1 year, 2 year, and 7 year. Every different categories have certain things that needs to be taken care of in terms of any default. Just to let you know that before you buy a new house, or whether when it's in construction or before you get a possession, there will be something called PDI, that is a pre-delivery inspection. You as a new home buyer will walk through the builder or builder representative to go around the house, look inside if there is anything missing or there is anything not up to the standard. So most of the time it gets taken care of through PDI. Now let's check out what is included in your very first year of warranty under Tarion. So here are some things that are included in that. So the very first one would be the workmanship, if it's not up to the quality or it's free for defect or not. So that's pretty standard. The other thing is unauthorized substitution, to protect against that. So what I mean by that is, Ontario, there are some substances or some material that you cannot use in a house to construct it. So if you found something or if something down there that need to be replaced by the builder or repaired by the builder. It also protects again Ontario Building Code. So all the houses that are built in Ontario needs to follow a code. Now here is the list of the second year warranty, what is included on your second year for the Tarion warranty. So this is really important. It includes any water penetration through the basement or the foundation wall. The second point is defect in the material that affect your windows, door, clocking. So it's a sort of kind of workmanship, or even if you have water coming through your window or door or anywhere else, that is also included in that. any defect in terms of electrical, plumbing or heating delivery or the distribution system. It also covers defects for the exterior. Basically, if you have something on the exterior like the vinyl or the siding which is getting detached from the house, so that is included in that, all the exterior covering basically. Same thing, it also again protect you under the Ontario Building Code for health and safety. Now the third and the final warranty is the 7-year warranty. Let's check that out. So the 7-year warranty is basically for all the major structural defect in the house based on the Ontario New Home Warranty. So that could be anything as mentioned over here, like your structural load bearing element of the building is not performing properly, or you find that it's faulty, things like that, or anything related to structural which could affect directly to the building in terms of settling it down or anything structurally basically. So those are the 3 warranties that will be covered under Tarion. And there's something important as a consumer that you do need to know, that how to make a claim. I will attach a different video for that on how to make a claim for that. If anything comes faulty or something like that, usually it could be done through your online portal where you will access, you can access all the details down there through Tarion. Now the third point of this video is that your duties, your obligations and your role as a home buyer. So the very first one would be understanding what the warranty is, what it covers, which you can go through this video again if you want to, and I will also link a description in the description below about Tarion, where you can go and see what is covered under each specific warranty about the 3 one we just discussed, and how to make a claim, how to proceed with that. The very next one is to participating in the pre-delivery inspection, that is PDI. So when you close your house, before that you will have a PDI which will be walked through with the builder as I mentioned, or their representative. So go through that, educate about yourself, educate about yourself about the house, that what needs to be taken care in the house, all the electrical, plumbing and every system in the house. That is something you will be covered under PDI. This is an important thing. You need to maintain your house properly so that you can claim the warranties. If you found any defect or anything, bring that attention to your builder as soon as possible. Make a documentation, have detailed report, take pictures and go through each and everything. Don't take it lightly. So just take a picture. If you found anything that is not working or anything that is faulty, it will help you to make your case stronger and help you to get it done easily basically. Just make sure that everything you are doing on this one is according to the timeline that matches by the Tarion. So don't wait for anything to fall off. If you're noticing or if you're finding something that is faulty, reach out to Tarion, reach out to your real estate agent. They would be able to also help you out in this case. Now the last point, as a buyer, what are the important things for you to know before buying a new build? So the very first one, what I would say is checking the builder profile. How long have they been building in that area? What are their past records of the delivery time, the quality and everything? Your real estate agent would be help you out in this one. If you're working with a local agent, yeah, definitely he would be help you out with this one. Some of the builders do have their model homes, so visit that. Even though if you're not buying that particular kind of model or that particular kind of home, let's say if you're buying a townhouse but you are looking for but you want down for a single detached as a model home, go down there, check that, because you will be able to know what their quality is, what their craftsmanship is and how they design the thing. So even though if you are not buying in the particular segment, go down, visit to the model home if it's available. When you are buying a new development, check what is going around the area. Ask your real estate agent or a local expert what's happening around the region or what's happening in that specific neighborhood. So that will determine how the appreciation you will be getting in terms of your house and what are the amenities and facilities that you will be able to use in near future. Because what happens is that most of the new development comes in a new subdivision where there are not a lot of amenities or public transport or any services down there. But for sure, it will be developed in near future. But make sure that you are aware about that. If something is really important to you and if it's not in that area or in not that specific region, then there is no point of buying that house basically. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find some value in this. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next one.